They are currently working in the pit area at night. So when on day shift, when the people knock off, they will go in and go and mine whatever they can. You won't be able to stop them. They're hungry, they want food, they've got kids, families and so on that they have to look after. So to try and stop them, that's where you're going to have problems where they're going to sabotage your machines and things like that. And I mean, it's unnecessary to go that far and try and fight them. You know, we've got people here working. These people have guns and so on. We've all seen it on TV, the weapons they have. They can easily shoot somebody and so on, and we don't want that.
We stay here every day. We don't go to the community. We don't even irritate them. We fear the police there by the community. We don't go to the community. So I don't know. And the community also, the community don't come here where we are working. So where will be robbing them?